Today I am going to show you how to make lassi. It is a drink, healthy drink. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. We need curd, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 5 ice cubes and half glass of water. We'll blend this in a blender. Add this all the ingredients into the blender cup. Put the sugar also and blender it well. Here's my blended lassi. We'll pour and see this to glass. This is a healthy drink. You also make and drink and see. If it is tasty, you share this video and comment me, like me, and thanks for watching this video.